We are back with Mzansi Fresh Gear.
Yo.
If you guys missed the first part of the interview, like, you need to get live. We're going to get straight into some of the off-the-cuff questions. Like we said, don't be nervous. It's literally anything that comes to mind is a good answer.
Straight up.
Don't worry, my girlfriend ain't listening, so I'll say what I need to say.
Or at least you don't think so.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Then after that, we'll get into how people can contact you if anyone's looking for some cool clothes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'll start. Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Okay, we'll go one.
Okay,
Alright,
yeah.
cool.
If
Must I answer?
Well, yeah.
Oh, guys, I like them both, eh?
if zombies are dead, how can they walk?
It's a disease, you know, it's like just makes them walk, I don't know. Zombies 101, I guess.
Nice.
I don't know, Michael
not
Jackson Thriller.
No, they come back to life, they're zombies. I don't know.
It's just because they're zombies.
It's just because they're zombies. If you were paid 1,000 rand, would you change your name? And if so, what would it be?
Yeah, what name
I
would I
wouldn't
do
change
for?
my name. I enjoy my name.
Boom.
Lani and the nickname is Rules.
Awesome.
People play by my
Yeah, I
rules.
think I maybe just put the before my name, you know?
Yeah.
That was the Chad.
The chat is great.
1,000 rand's not enough for me to change my name.
Boom.
Oh no.
And you have a dope name.
You know what I mean? Like, come on.
The name was like Nigel or Bob or something.
Yeah, definitely.
If you guys had a time machine, where would you go and why?
Today we'll give you the...
Dude, I'd go back to the 50s. Without a doubt. Cadillacs in my face.
Yes.
All of that cool music.
Totally.
Elvis Presley, some swing. Like, come on, it's like the best time.
Yes.
Yeah, I'd go for 60s hippie revolution, you know, go check that out. See
Make love, not war,
what
baby.
Timothy Leary was
Woodstock.
up to, yeah, like see that.
I think I'd go back to the 80s because that's when hip hop started. So I'd watch the growth of hip hop and know
Sweet.
everything about hip hop, not some of these new school
That you listen to, right?
Blasting out of the car.
A penguin walks through the door right now wearing a sombrero. What does he say?
Where's Batman, essay?
Best answer ever. Dude.
I think that's good enough.
If
Nah, I thought that he was going to say something.
oh sick. If you had a magical snail that could grant wishes, what would you call him?
Okay, I'll take the stage since nobody's answering. As a kid, you know, when I found animals, I'd always give them a name, but it would rhyme with alliteration, or not rhyme, but have alliteration. It would be Freddy the Frog. So I'll go for Sammy the Snail, maybe. You know.
Sweet.
Nice. It's a good name.
I don't know. A snail. What can you call a snail?
Anything you
Yo,
like.
mama.
I don't know. Maybe slow it.
Slow it. That works.
That's
Good
cool.
one.
Snail Trail Susie.
Nice. Snail trail Susie.
What shampoo do you use?
When did you wash your hair with shampoo?
No, I have short hair, so yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I just use whatever is there at my girlfriend's house or whatever. Like Tresemme. Yeah, I don't know, whatever's available.
That's
I don't
the
know
one.
my preference, yeah.
Yeah, I just swing hair. Tresemme, Pantene, whatever.
Whatever's going.
As long as it smells
You
good.
got that
That's all
Pro V?
my hair.
You got that Pro V? Give me that Pro V.
If you were on death row, what would your last meal be?
I'd have a seafood platter.
Boom.
Shove it in my face.
Straight
Lots
up.
of oysters.
Oh, crispy creams.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll say sushi, you know?
Man, all to my own heart.
Yeah, raw fish, you know, one of those conjugal types.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how scared are you of the dark?
Nowadays, not like I said,
Nice.
we check kung fu, we got the reflexes ready.
Bring it. Bring it.
I'm not really scared of the dark. Unless
Then I
it's
know.
witchcraft. Someone bewitches me. I'm not.
Blair Witch Project.
But if people wait, how do you, like, what are you going to do? You're stunned.
Yeah, come out of the dark. I don't know. You know, I'll still be scared.
Mine's 10.
A 10 out of 5. 10 out of 5.
10 out of
I'm with you. I'm with you.
If Abe Lincoln and George Washington got into a fight, who would win?
Understand?
Abe Lincoln.
Yes, everyone, straight up.
You know what they say? The truth hurts.
There it is. No Lincoln without a doubt.
Lincoln, straight up.
In your opinion, what is the meaning of life?
Might sound a bit cliche, but to live. I mean, you only through
That was
living
gonna
if
be
you're
mine,
happy.
dude.
Yeah. I say I'm a bit cliche at that.
Just
The meaning is actually just to make others happy, because through making others happy, you actually make yourself happy. We're in this social structure that it tells us we must be separated and stuff, and I don't believe that.
I'll say do what you enjoy, do what you love.
Yeah, you have to.
Shame there's no more cliches left.
No, you've taken all of my cliches. Well, it's exactly that. You know, live life, make others happy because happiness comes back to you. Law of attraction, dude, it's the most easiest thing ever.
Yeah.
And live it to the fullest. Do the things that make you happy, you know.
Nailed it.
Done.
Yeah.
Nailed it. If you had a choice between living with a gorilla who knows sign language or a dog who sings lullabies, which would you choose?
I'll do
Gorilla.
a dog, because gorillas turn on you, so.
No ways, you just gotta be the alpha male, you know, set the story straight.
When the gorilla flips it.
And he can fetch you bananas, be like,
I think a dog is.
Oh no, lullabies creep me out, so probably the gorilla.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't relate. I'll just it's like a constant horror movie for me, and then it's a dog?
Straight up, bro.
No.
I'll be the only survivor.
I guess
so I'm
actually,
great.
what type of dog would it be though? You know,
Dog of your
that's-
choice,
That's
man.
the question.
Any dog you want it to be.
No.
Yeah, still
Gorilla.
wouldn't you?
And the thing is, think about it. Who's gonna break into your house if you have like this 300-kilogram gorilla?
Dude,
Let's be honest.
without a doubt.
Boom.
The gorilla's gonna break into you.
He says no one's gonna break in. The gorilla's ready inside.
This escalated so quickly.
Yeah.
I'm done. Do you have any relatives in jail?
In jail, yeah, I think I have a few. I mean,
you really?
Yeah, being colored, you have
That's
quite a big
dope.
family. You know, like, maybe I shouldn't say this on radio. You know, they might just come search me.
Send
but no,
someone.
yeah, I'm sure there's somebody. I mean, I haven't been in jail, but I've been arrested before. That's as far as I got in.
Yeah.
You know, I'm 24 and I'm out. You know, I'm in jail. You know, I take this. Yeah.
So weird on the
Setting
outside.
family records.
I've just got 2 uncles, yeah, that's about it.
God,
I got friends.
Really?
Yeah.
My family's so squeaky clean.
Yeah,
is it?
mine included.
Totally.
Nothing.
Yeah.
And
Nothing.
you clean as well.
No.
Yes,
There's some
no.
people in. I know some people in there.
What would shares look like if your knees bent the other way?
Have you ever seen one of those contraptions that's meant to help your back support, where you got it's got a chair sit and then your knees are supposed to kind of go
Yes.
against it. So I think you'd actually sit opposite on that maybe. I don't know.
Right.
It's like the best answer.
Totally.
Everyone else is
Everyone's
what?
different. Is what they say. Come on.
Yeah, I've got a bit of imagination, you know.
Straight up.
Mom dropped me on my head too many times.
You gotta give her a high five then, dude. Because it's working.
I think I'll just sit on swings. Not keep hanging.
Straight up. I don't know why I didn't think of that.
That is amazing.
It's like a bench.
Yeah.
A swing. Like, brilliant.
You guys are in the wrong industry, man. Like,
Totally.
do you untie your shoes before you take them off?
No.
Depends on the shoes. Sometimes
Yeah,
you can't. You know?
okay,
You wear
fresh
Dr.
kicks.
Martens, you can't be like, come on!
When it comes to the fresh kicks, you know, the fresh kicks you just bought, yeah, you take the time,
Yeah.
you untie.
And
You're
you
not
don't
gonna
smile.
scuff it, you
don't
don't
chuck
show it,
it.
yeah.
You still
Back
put
in the box, yeah, that you bought them in, yeah,
That's
yeah.
when fights break out. Someone steps on your shoe, fights break out.
What nocturnal animal would you be?
I'll be a snake. I'm the snake, Slytherin, you know,
Yeah,
speak
because
that parcel
this
tongue.
guy, he's exposing himself. He's a snake. Yeah, I don't know. I think a snake as well, I guess. But a cobra.
Yeah. Gotta be that badass.
I want to think. No, foxes are nocturnal.
I think so. I don't know.
Foxes,
Yeah,
yes.
for the most
that's the
part,
one.
yeah.
Fox.
Yeah, I'll be a fox.
Fox the lady.
Okay, second last question for me. What is your least favorite thing about humanity?
Good question.
Give the floor to other people to start.
The way that we can mistreat each other.
Yeah.
We are a very selfish race, which is not a bad thing because I believe that you have to be selfish to a certain degree. But, you know, I will sit and complain about the fact that I have no electricity or they didn't have my size shoe in the shop or whatever the story is, when other people have worse problems and we don't see that.
Yeah.
And I think it's the way that we treat one another that's probably the worst thing.
That's why she's your brand ambassador.
I just say lack of appreciation for the small stuff.
Yeah.
I think it's our susceptibility to be controlled or misleaded. You know, I think that leads to a lot of the major problems in our lives and in our societies is from the beginning what's instilled in us. So
Yeah.
I think if we just had more leaders and more forward thinking, it would be a much different world we live in.
Preach, brother.
Totally. I got one more. If you could have sex with one superhero, who would it be?
Catwoman, very Catwoman, right?
Nailed it.
Yeah, I don't know. Superwoman, I guess. Or superhero. I don't know. I haven't really thought about that. Maybe Storm, I guess another
Yeah.
Halle Berry version. Yeah.
Hey, Barry, man.
Yeah.
Halle Berry.
That's a tough one. I'd probably say Batman because of the car.
Yeah.
I might actually
Batmobile, man.
It's like just because of Batmobile. That's it.
Even in the land of superheroes, man, they're catching that.
Alright, last question from me. Who's your favorite, myself or Genetic?
She loves asking
Come
this
on,
question.
come on.
I'm sorry, I'm something. Yeah.
Nothing's changed.
I'm gonna have to back chat up with my partner. So
I don't like choosing, so I'm going to say both.
Boom. There we go.
We should have done that. That's why she's the brand ambassador. We need that.
That's how we
PR
do.
side, yeah.
I love it.
Alright, guys, well, we just want to say thank you so much for coming through and chatting to us.
No, thank you. Yeah, thanks for the time and all that.
How do people get a hold of you guys? Is it the Facebook page, Twitter?
You can catch us on Facebook at Mzansi Fresh Gear. On Twitter, it's at Mzansi Fresh. Instagram, it's Mzansi Fresh. You'll be able to catch up with us, talk to us directly, message us, see what we're up to, what's to offer, and what's going on in the world of Mzansi Fresh Gear. Yeah.
Totally.
for sure.
Rad.
Well, I think I speak for a lot of people listening. You guys are such a rad. I mean, just everything about it is amazing. Your t-shirts, come on. Gee.
But of course.
Yeah, don't worry, you guys are gonna get yours to it just now. We'll have those pictures. Yeah. No, but thank you very much for bringing us on. We really appreciate the opportunity.
Absolutely.
and-
No problem.
Thanks for
man.
coming through. We
Yeah.
wish you the best of luck with everything you guys are doing in the future.
Yeah.
Keep it certified fresh, baby.
Yeah, there we
Every
go.
day.
In the next 5 years, like, you guys need to be international, okay?
No, don't worry, we'll invite you to come host our radio shows there, whatever. You know?
Sade, you're doing an amazing job. Thank you so much for coming to chat to us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Absolutely.
All right, we're gonna back to some tracks, guys. Get your requests to us on the SMS lines 477-66.
Something about fresh. Way I'm looking.